Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make dashed and dotted line in Canva, what you need to do. But before that, if you want to master Canva, try Skillshare for free for 1 month and find amazing classes to boost your Canva designs. Sign up now. I will leave the link in the description below. Let's get started. How to make dashed and dotted line in Canva. First you need to go to Canva and look into your account, and then in the search bar just type the design you are looking for example Facebook post. After that, go to elements and then just scroll down, and here shapes, click see all, and now choose the line style you want. For example this one, and here you can increase the size. After that, go to line style, and here you increase the weight, and here you can choose different style. Okay, now let me just move it up. And if you want to use a shape, okay, for example this one, okay, maybe you can change the color, and then go to border style, and then here you increase the weight, and here you can change the line style you want. This is what you need to do if you want to make dash and dot line in Canva. I hope this video is helpful, and please subscribe to my channel if you have found value in this video. This will help me to grow and will help my followers to find my future video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.